Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here. I can't believe I'm already decorating for May, and I know it's only April 18th, but I wanted to get this out and ready to go because the next couple of weeks are going to be busy. So stickers I will be using today. I'm going to be using the dots and swatches, the circles, as well as the quote and washi from the Dragonflies collection. I'm also going to bring in some of these ink splatters, the magenta green as well as the gold pink. Oh, excited to use these. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I have all these tabs, and I use these to help me plan out my, content, but also some of these sticky notes move from month to month because there are some videos that I do on a monthly basis and they can just move from month to month, so that's not too big of a deal. Okay, so first things first, let's use these splatters because I think they're very, very cool. Let's move this clip over so that this actually stays in the same spot. And I'm going to place a big circle. When I say big circle, a medium circle, along with a splatter. I love these because this one's not peeling up correctly. I love these because they allow you to basically get the splatter effect without making a mess. Oh, I remember why I didn't add these to the cell bucket, because they're a little, the cut lines weren't great on them. Then I'm going to add, oh, I realize one is right there, so I'll add a dragonfly just here. Then down here, I'm going to use a bigger circle and realizing that I've just put that down and need the space. Gosh, what is with me? Need the space for, okay, I'll be able to do it. I can do it. And if anything, I can always use the area under here as well. So you know what? I'll actually use the area under here, or I could put this here. I think I'll actually put that here and then leave this area for the affiliate stuff. So let's put down another circle here and then place this down here. And then I'm going to do the quote here. So the spread your wings and fly. And then I'll probably add, where's my, I was gonna say utensils, but really it's tweezers, and just add that here. Then I do want to make use of this. So I know the cut lines on these ones are not great because they were, oops. I'll just add this here. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, write in IG and YouTube for every day in the month, and then I'm going to fill in what videos I know I am going to do for the month of May, and then the ones that are still unsure, I'm going to go ahead and put the sticky notes back. That way, at least I have some flexibility. And even if I do make a mistake or decide to change things around, I can always use whiteout. It's not a big deal. So for me, being able to see my social media all as a monthly spread like this is so helpful. And I've been using it like this for maybe like 2 years now, and I'm just finding it the best way for me to handle my social media. And then down here in the bottom corner, I'm going to write the info for my Instagram and YouTube numbers, as well as my affiliate numbers, and then I will fill them out once the month is done. So then what I'm going to do down the side here is actually write in the sticker kits that I will be using, and this allows me to plan out, obviously, what I want to use, but also helps me to shop my stash and let me know, you know, do I have enough stickers? Most likely yes. And you know, what else do I need? How much do I have? Things like that. And I found this really helpful for keeping my sticker stash at bay. And then this one I've left open for now. Okay, so I'm actually going to leave it. I'm not going to fill it out as of yet. I mean, I could. Okay, I will. So, I mean, I know on Tuesdays, for example, I put out my A5 plan with me. And that one is kind of like a standing order on Tuesdays. And then I know that my daily journal is probably going to go out here. Yeah. Which means monthly setup may go out there. My new release video is going to come out here. Progress report for my currently inked will come out here. Currently inked will come out here. And then not too sure of the rest as of yet. I might actually do monthly setup here, because there's a few things I want to add in and around here, and I'm not sure of those yet. So those ones are the ones that I am definitely sure about. So then I can add these back in. So update on my pen and ink goals. Do another ink exploration. Not sure what that will be. Maybe an update on my Leonardo collection. My thoughts on the fountain pen hobby. Daily journal already have. Monthly setup. And possibly a review on the Jinhao 80 since I've been using it for long enough now. So I will move these along with these to the next month so that I have them ready to go. So that is the monthly spread. I feel like I could add a few more things here. Like, for example, where are my tweezers? Oh, no. Where are my tweezers? Oh, why are they all the way over there? So I'm going to add just these here as headers. And there we go. Perfect. Now, I feel like I could add a little bit more deco. Like a few more of the dragonflies around. But I also don't want to go crazy with them because I still want to use them on my other currently spread. Oh, and I need to write in there too, so I can't really put that there. I can put this here. And then I could possibly put, like what I did with the circles last month, is put them up there, like cut them in half. And then, yeah, let's do that again. Cut them in half. So cut that one in half like this. And then cut this one in half like, actually, let's cut this green one in half. So that I have that. Yes, I am wearing a woolly coat at the moment because it was freezing earlier. I took Lucy out for a walk and it was so windy, and I work in my basement and I always have some sort of layers on. Ooh, I like that. And I actually want to add some of these up there, just to add a bit more, because why not? Oh, pretty. I think I am going to leave that for now. And then I will move to the currently section where I'm going to decorate within my daily pages. So here is my currently page, basically ready to go. And what I've done in previous months is I've basically counted how many pages I know I'm going to use per day plus my currently, and then mark them off here previously. Now I do have somewhere my months and my tabs. So let's see, this is for the next one. I need to remove this. Where is May? Here's May. And these can also be found in my shop. So with May, put them down here. I'm trying to kind of alternate them so that they're not in line with the ones from my weekly spreads. That's turning out okay so far. All right. Okay, so that is done. Let's put this clip. Whoop. I'm glad that didn't fly any further than that. Remove this. I love these tabs. If you're not familiar with these are from Stationery Pal. Love them. Love them. But I think you can get them probably like from Jet Pens or something as well. Okay. Enough babbling. Let's do this. I always like to refer to my last spread to see how I did it. Okay. And I'm going to add this as one big sticker right in the middle. And then add this one here. And then add the rest of this washi here. And then I will put my months, why is that hard to say? Months script sticker there. Okay. Then these other circles can help decorate the rest of the spread. I'm going to put these ones actually up here. And then I can put, oh, I still have, I forgot, the ink splatters. Ah, so I need to use those. And that sticker sheet is done. And then ink splatters. I love these. Love, love, love these. And then I want to put this one. Actually, I'll wait until I've written in what I need to in here before I do the rest of the decorating. Okay, so up here I'm going to put my currently inked. And the reason I keep it in here as well as my pen and ink journals because it's easy for me to refer to it here. Like if I want to see if a specific ink will match with a spread, it's easy for me to just pull this open and be like, hey, I know what stickers will match rather than having to take out my full pen and ink journal, knowing that I can just flip to this page and it will be there. So I'm using 2 ink swatches. And then I'll have enough room there. And then down here, I'm going to write my books. That looks really weird. Red. Normally I just write red, but I guess books red wanted to be the one that came out. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to put in there is goals. Let's turn this one around. Looks better if the dark is all within the middle. And then here I'm going to put goals. And I'm going to use this swatch. And then I'm going to add these. I have been really good at listening to audiobooks, but I do need to actually get back into reading, like in real life book, like a handheld book, and I need to work on that. I was in the middle of reading The Hobbit, and I had like another 100 pages to go, and then I just stopped. So I need to finish that. I'm gonna add that in here. All right, so now that that's filled in, I know where I have extra space to add these stickers. So I can add, come on, a dragonfly even in here. And with a swatch, this sticker did not cut as well as I would have liked. There we go. Yeah. This was in my oopsie pile when I was working on the new releases. There we go. Oh, I like that. I think I'm gonna try and add one more ink there if the sticker actually was cut properly. There we go. Gosh, the dog next door is barking. Oh, I like that. Okay, then I can add the remainder of these. Oh, they're so cute, those dragonflies. And funny enough, the dragonflies, when I was working on them as a collection, I wondered, are these too dark? Are these gonna work? And they've actually been selling really well. So thank you for all of you who support my shop. I'm just so grateful. Perfect. All right, sticker sheet finished. Sticker sheet finished. And these will not be finished as of yet. Oh, I like that. So then let's go back to this page and see actually if maybe there's something I could add down here. Oh, I love these swatches. They're just so fun. And, you know, I might as well use them if I can. Oh, there goes Lucy. I actually realized there's not a lot of room there. Okay, I just need to tell myself I'm done. I don't need to add any more stickers. I really don't need to add any more. What am I doing? Why do I feel the need to add more? Like I really don't. And I'm still exploring where else to put this. Because I don't normally post anything on Fridays anyway, so I could put it there. Ooh, and let them not. There. Okay. Stop, Karina, stop. All right, that is it. I promise, that is it. So there is the monthly spread, and then the currently spread. It looks so busy down here, but it's so fun. And once I actually fill in the currently inked, it's gonna look just as busy. So like that's my currently page for April. That's what March looks like. It looks so busy, but I love it. All right, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna ask the question, who here has already set up May? Probably not many of you because I'm very overprepared. All right, but let me know what you guys thought of the dragonflies. This is available in my shop right now, and if you are interested, it is there for you, available as a digital download as well if you do digital stickers. But that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.